Get the hang of inseparable phrasal verbs. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. In today's video, we'll delve deep into an interesting facet of the English language, inseparable phrasal verbs. Our main focus will be to understand what they are, and importantly, how they differ from their counterpart, the separable phrasal verbs. First things first, what is a phrasal verb? Well, a phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or both. They are quite common in English and could be a bit tricky to master. But don't worry, we're here to simplify them for you. Moving on to our main topic for today, inseparable phrasal verbs. These are phrasal verbs where the verb and the preposition, adverb cannot be separated. They always stick together. For instance, the phrasal verb, run into, meaning to meet someone unexpectedly, can't be separated. We say, I ran into my old teacher, not, I ran my old teacher into. Contrasting to the inseparable phrasal verbs, we have separable phrasal verbs. These phrasal verbs can be broken up by other words. For example, in the phrasal verb, turn off, meaning to stop the operation or activity, you could say, please turn off the light, or please turn the light off. Now that we understand what inseparable and separable phrasal verbs are, let's talk about their differences. The main difference is in the way they can be used in a sentence. Inseparable phrasal verbs always stick together, meaning the verb and preposition, adverb cannot be separated by other words. On the other hand, separable phrasal verbs can be broken up by other words in the sentence. You might need to check dictionaries or practice through real-life usage to fully understand which verbs are inseparable and which are separable. That wraps up our lesson on inseparable phrasal verbs and how they differ from separable phrasal verbs. As with any other aspect of language learning, practice is key. So, make sure you incorporate these concepts into your everyday English usage. Remember, even the most complex topics can be mastered with practice and patience. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into more fascinating elements of English grammar. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning!